Good morning or good afternoon. Welcome back to another first grade lesson. Oh, well, it's kindergarten, but you're... Good morning or good afternoon. Welcome. Good morning or good afternoon. Welcome back to another first grade lesson. Oh, well, it's kindergarten, but you're going to be in first grade when school starts. My name is Mr. Binty, and I'm a first grade teacher at Kays Elementary School. So my lessons are always perfect using kindergarten standards, but making sure you're going to be ready for first grade in the fall at whatever school you go to. You know, I always start my lessons the same way, talking about how you're feeling. How are you feeling today? Are you sleepy? That's not on here, but sometimes I'm pretty sleepy. That's an emotion that I wish was on here. Are you excited? Are you sad? Are you happy or excited? Are you silly or surprised? I'll tell you how I am. You can draw how you're feeling in your journal or just think about it. You can just listen to me talk about my feelings today. I'm happy because a lot of you have been writing in your journal every day, and that makes me really happy. Something I've talked about with my summer school classes, I want you to keep a journal every single day. And you can write in it, you can draw in it, and we just learned how to make labels in it. And by the end of the summer, you'll have a full journal, and your writing's going to be better. And it's a great place where you can write about how you feel, or what you've done, or anything you want, and you can draw pictures. If you don't have a notebook or a journal, that's okay. You can use blank paper or scrap paper. It's still important to be writing and drawing and learning all summer long, isn't it? So here's my journal, and I did a page while you were gone. I used one of those vocabulary words from our last lesson. The word was neatly. Actually, I'm going to circle it. I'll just use orange because it's ready. I thought I'm going to start using some of those big words in my journal. I'm not going to use just short little words anymore. So I said, I made my bed neatly. And neatly means orderly. So here's my pillows and my blanket, and I tucked it in. I have a little nightstand. That's where my phone was. That was set for my alarm to wake up to teach your lesson. So that's my first page. I did that on my own because I'm going to try to fill this journal up. But I'm going to do another one with you right now. What are you thinking we should write about today? Your family? The weather? Something fun you've did? I've already written about my mom, and I wrote about my favorite foods, and I used one of those new vocabulary words. I'm going to write you another story about my pets, though. This is a story about my cat. And you'll never believe it. This happened the other day when I had my favorite food, pizza. My cat tried to eat my pizza. That's a funny story, so I'll write it for you. My cat tried to eat my pizza. Do you think I should stop there? No, I'm going to write it longer. I think I can write just a little bit more. I told him, what do you think? Do you think I told him yes or no? No, but guess I told him. I told him politely. That's another vocabulary word. I told him no politely. So I put quotation marks around my speaking words, which was no. He was kind of sad. Well, cats probably shouldn't have pizza. So I'm going to draw my cat. He's gray, and I don't have gray. So I'm going to use just purple because it's just kind of fun. This is my favorite cat. His name's Jahid, and he saw my pizza, and he thought maybe it was going to be a snack for him. I got to make sure I include all the details in my story. So I've got my cat. I got my pizza. Who else do I need? Me. I was the other character in that story. I wasn't very happy. He can't have my pizza. But now I'm going to make sure I put my speaking bubble in. And what did I tell him? No. I bet you're a better drawer than me. But what's a story you can tell me? Is it something about one of your pets? Or something that happened to you? Is it about something fun you've done? Keep working in your journal every single day. Mine's getting pretty full, and like I said, we're going to write in this journal every day. Take a few more seconds to finish your journal if you're writing with me. Or if not, let's get ready to rhyme. Today's lesson is going to be all about rhymes. We're going to listen for rhyming words, and we're going to write rhyming words. You're going to be so good at rhyming, you're going to be able to write poems, or make a rap, or write a song. There's lots of times we use poems. Maybe we can even write some rhymes in our journal next time. Let's get started. You know I'm going to love this poem because it's about a cat, just like my cat that tried to eat that pizza. It's called The Fat Cat. Did you hear that rhyme right away? The Fat Cat. Fat and cat rhyme. And when you rhyme a word, it has the same sound at the ending. So at and at, they rhyme because they both end with at. Let's see if we can find some more at words. I had a cat who was so fat, he could not even sit on his mat. He had a hat that did not fit. He put it on, and then it split. That cat must have been eating some pizza. All right, I am going to circle my rhyming words. So here's fat and cat. And that was the title, but they put fat and cat in the poem again. Cat, fat. What about even? Does even rhyme? No, I had a cat who was so fat he could not even sit on his mat. What's the next rhyming word? You got it. Mat. He had a hat. Oh, I heard it. Cat, fat, mat, hat. He had a hat that did not fit. What about fit? Do you think fit rhymes with cat? They both end with t, but they have a different vowel. Fat and fit, they don't rhyme. They kind of sound the same, but they don't rhyme. But I'm going to use a new color because fit has a rhyme. He had a hat that did not fit. He put it on, and then it split. So these two words rhyme together, fit and split. Let's read this poem together. I'll erase all my circles. Can you read it with me? It's called The Fat Cat. I had a cat who was so fat, he could not even sit on his mat. He had a hat that did not fit. He put it on, and then it... Now you try. I'm not going to read it. I want to hear you read it, or I want you to read it in your brain. Ready? I'll do the same. That's a funny poem. Let's try another one. Can I get a pet? Now sometimes people around here say get, but I see that E. So can I get a pet? And those two words rhyme, even though sometimes people around here don't make it sound like they do. They have the same ending, ET, and just because a word ends the same doesn't always mean it rhymes, but a lot of the times it does. Will you let me get a pet? I will take it to the vet. Let's read that again. Will you let me get a pet? I will take it to the vet. I heard lots of et words. How many do you see? I've already counted 4, and we're just in the top paragraph. I see let, pet, get, and vet. Please, Mom, can I get a pet? I bet I will like it. Can I get one yet? That's a lot of et words in this poem. They really jammed them in. How many more did you see? Let's read it again. Please, Mom, can I get a pet? I bet I will like it. Can I get one yet? Get and pet, we've already found those, right? Bet. What about it? Does it rhyme with pet? No, that's the short I that goes I. And we know short E goes eh. When I say short E, my mouth goes like this. Eh. Can you do that? Eh. That's how I know I'm using that eh sound. There's 2 more left. What are they? Get and yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Some of them they use more than once. Well, that's a lot of ET words. Let's read this one again. Can I get a pet? Will you let me get a pet? I will take it to the vet. Please, Mom, can I get a pet? I bet I will like it. Can I get one yet? Now you try to read it. I'll give you a couple seconds to try on your own. Great job. Now if you've noticed, all my poems are switching vowels, so I did A and E. What's the next vowel? There's 5 vowels. I. This poem has some I words in it. It's called The Big Hit. What about big and hit? Do they rhyme? They both have I, that short I in the middle. Do they rhyme? No, they don't. So let's keep going. I went to my game and I was ready to sit when my coach let me in and told me to hit. I heard those rhymes. It was just like a poem. I went to my game and I was ready to sit when my coach let me in and told me to... What game are they playing? The picture gave me a clue. They're playing baseball. That's a great game to play in the summer. I swung the bat. I wouldn't quit. I swung so hard that my bat split. He must be pretty strong, or she. Okay, let's keep going for some rhymes. I swung the bat. I wouldn't quit. So I've got sit, hit. What's my next rhyme? Quit. I swung so hard that my bat, what did it do? Do you remember? Split. If they used the word broke, it wouldn't have rhymed, right? So they used this big word split. That was very smart of them. Let's read it together. I went to my game and I was ready to sit when my coach let me in and told me to hit. I swung the bat. I wouldn't quit. I swung so hard that my bat split. Great job. Now you try to read this poem. That one was pretty long, but this is kind of getting you ready for a first grade level of reading. So the more poems we read, the more ready you'll be for first grade, I know. Here's my O poem. I know kindergartners know their vowels, so let's go in order. A, E, I, O. This is our O poem. What's going to be next? Make a prediction. Keep it in your brain and see if you're right. Long O is the title. Long O, what do I know? Without you, I can't make snow, go, or tow. You are a special letter, that much I can say, because you even say your name with O-A. This is a tricky poem. We're looking for words that go O. Sometimes O goes ah, but this poem it's going to go O. So here's the O. Here's the first word that rhymes. No. Look at no. It's got a silent K, and instead of just ending with an O, it's got a W at the end. That's a pretty big sight word, but I know kindergartners might have learned it. What do I know? Without you, I can't make snow. Well, I know snow and no rhyme, because look, they kind of have the same ending. Go. Does go end with a W? No, it's just a two-letter word, but it still rhymes. No, snow, go, tow. So even though those words all end differently, they still rhyme. Read them with me. No, snow, go, tow. Long O, what do I know? Without you, I can't make snow, go, or tow. You are a special letter, this much I can say, because you even say your name with O-A. What does that mean? You say your name with O-A. When I have O-A in the middle of a word, that first vowel O, he does a lot of the talking. So here's an O-A word, toad. But it still has O in the middle. Hear it? To-ode. Have you ever seen a toad? Here's another word that has O-A in the middle, load. You might say, I have a big load in the back of my truck. O-A makes the same sound as go, snow, no, and tow. But they don't rhyme right now because I put that D on the end. So the only rhyming words in this poem were no, snow, go, and tow. Let's do our last one. What vowel do you think it is? It's U, you're correct. I caught a bug in a jug. I caught a bug in a mug. I caught a bug and gave it a hug. That's probably the silliest one. Now I know this one you can read on your own, so we're going to practice it. Read it with me one more time. I caught a bug in a jug. I caught a bug in a mug. I caught a bug and gave it a hug. What are the rhyming words? Good, you started with bug. Tell me what's next. Jug. Here's bug again. What's the next rhyming word? Mug. Here's bug again. What's the final rhyming word? We know they rhyme because they all have the same ending sound. They all end with ug. Bug, jug, mug, hug. We could have put rug on there or tug. This was a short poem. That's why I think it's pretty great for you to learn to read. Let's read it one more time by yourselves. Great job. It's over here. If you are getting the summer school packet, you're going to have this at the top and some boxes at the bottom. If you don't have a summer school packet, that's great. You're here and you can watch this with me right now. It says circle the word that rhymes. So my first word is cat. Let's see which word rhymes. Cap, fan, or sat. Well, I know it has to end the same. At. Which one ends like at? Is it cap, fan, or sat? Sat. Cat and sat rhyme. Try this word, leg. Circle the word that rhymes. Beg, let, get. Well, let and get, they rhyme together. But which word rhymes with leg? Beg. They both end with egg. Leg and beg rhyme. Next word, fit. Fat, lip, lit. Which word rhymes with fit? You guessed it, lit. Fit and lit rhyme. Do you hear that? Fit, lit. Top. What rhymes with top? Lot, mom, hop. I heard the ones that have the matching ending, and my eyes kind of helped me too. Top ends with OP, and so does hop. They both have op. Top, hop. Sun, fun, sunny, fan. Sun and fun. Great job. Bug. Which word rhymes with bug? Tag, tug, bun. What do you think? Bug and tug. I'm not looking for a word that has the same beginning sound. When I'm looking for rhymes, I'm listening to the ending. Bug, tug. Your turn. Do this last one all on your own. Six. What word rhymes with six? Fix, fax, sax. Which word do you think? I think you got it. If you do have this page with me, let me erase it so you can see it. We're going to make sure every box is going to have some rhyming words in it. If you don't have this box or this paper, you can make boxes on your own right now, or you can just watch. This is going to be your homework. So make sure you get your rhyming words in each box like mine. If you don't, you're going to have to make up your own rhymes, okay? Let's get started. This will be our last project for the day, and then I'll have you finish it at home and look for rhyming words all week long. The first box says at. How many rhyming words can you think of that go at? This one's so easy, I'm going to get you started with a lot. I'm going to say bat, cat, rat, fat, sat, hat. Did you notice I had to write small to fit in that box? Did you notice I had to keep going? I didn't just write one word and say, I'm done. I like to work really hard, and I know you will too. Fill in that box with as many at words as you can. If you don't have time right now, we'll come back to it. I want to make sure we get through as many boxes as possible. The next one says ache. What words rhyme with ache? Bake, cake. I'll give you some clues. What's something you use to pick up leaves in your lawn? Do you have another one? What's something you might go fishing in? It's not the ocean or a pond, it's a... What about take or stake or make? Let's go to the next box. Ike. I-K-E. That E is silent to make I say its name. What can we put under Ike? Oh, here's one fast. Like. But there's more than that. What's something you ride that has 2 wheels? A bike. What's something you ride that has 3 wheels? A trike. I'm going to put all of those in. Remember, you're going to fill these boxes as fast as you can. I'm going to put the name Mike. You might know somebody whose name rhymes with some of these words. Fill these boxes as full as you can, and if you don't have time right now, this is kind of like your homework. You could do this in your journal too. Let's go to Ig. Ig's an easy one. Ig. I'll start. Big, pig, wig. What do you have? Dig, twig, rig, jig. I might be able to fit 8 words in that box. I'll put 3 to get you started. Dig, rig, jig. Let's keep going. A-R. What does A-R say together? R, kind of like a pirate. The first word I can think of is car. What else rhymes with R? Something up in the sky at night. Something you keep your jelly in. Something that means the opposite of near. How many words can you fit in the A-R box? Let's go with E-E-T. Eat. Beat. Meat. What do you walk on? Your feet. Let's keep moving on. There's so many rhyming words, and kindergartners are great at rhyming. You're going to fill in this paper, I know it. Let's go to un. U-N says un. Well, the first word I can think of is fun. It's fun to rhyme. What do you put your hamburger on? A bun. What's something you can do really fast? Run. What shines really brightly all summer long? The sun. I'm going to put stun and shun. I can even put 4-letter words on here. Some of these have 4 letters. We're going to get a lot of words on this box. You're so good at rhyming. Only 5 left. Ing. Ing is easy. Think of something, oh, I almost gave it away, that you like to sing. Something people wear on their fingers. A ring. What else can you think of? Bring. Oh, I don't want to give too many away. Let's move on to O-O-L. What does that say? Ool. Well, here's a place I miss. School. Cool. Fool. Tool. I'm filling up this box, aren't I? 3 left, and then I'll see how many more you do after I leave you. Op. What does a bunny like to do? What's another word for police officer? What do you do to clean your floor? I heard hop, cop, mop. You can keep going though. What about all? A-L-L. Haul and fall are the 2 I'm going to give you, but there's a couple more. And lastly, it. I'm going to leave that box blank because I want you to do that one all on your own. What are some words that rhyme with it? This box is full. When you're done, I want you to count how many words you made. I'm looking at mine. I see 6, 8, 10, 12. I already have 35 words. And I know there's a lot more I can do. I think I'm going to get to 50. It's so easy to rhyme. This is going to get your brain thinking about rhymes. I'm going to take away all of the ones we did actually for a bit so you can see this. If you don't have these written down in each box, go ahead and do that right now so you're ready to finish this at home. If you don't have a paper like this, you could make it or just keep doing them in your brain or make a list on blank paper. We can rhyme all summer long. I'll give you a few more seconds to see this. I can't wait to see how many words you do. Today's secret word is rhyme because all we're doing today is rhyming. Your secret word, if you need to tell a teacher, is rhyme. I can't wait to see how many words you've rhymed. Thank you guys for coming. Have a great day and happy rhyming.